One cat jump video, 266 million views and over 10 million likes, and the creator is estimated to have made at least $5,000 from it. And this isn't just one lucky case, there are tons of similar examples. So how can you actually make money with AI? The good news is, you don't need much. No big budget, just a phone or a laptop, and maybe 2 hours a day. Sound doable? Cool, here's the game plan. Step 1. Pick a topic. You need a theme for your video. Use tools to check what's trending. On YouTube Trends, type in your keyword and see what's hot. On Google Trends, search your topic and look at the curve to spot demand by region and time, or check TikTok's inspiration section to see which topics are performing best right now. Step 2. Write a script. Tell ChatGPT, DeepSeek, or any AI writing tool your idea. The clearer your prompt, the better your script. Step 3. Turn it into a video. There are tons of AI tools for this. Some free, some paid. Sora can turn plain text into short videos, quick and easy. Need an AI presenter? Use HeyGen to pick an avatar and voice you like. Or try Pollo AI to generate short, voiceover videos that work perfectly for TikTok or YouTube Shorts. Step 4. Upload and monetize. Post your videos on platforms like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, IG Reels, or Facebook Reels. Turn on AdSense, drop affiliate links, or even land brand deals. There are many ways to earn. Step 5. Scale it up. Once you've proven the process works, it's all about volume. Post 1 to 3 short videos every day and distribute them across multiple platforms. Managing many accounts? Use AdsPower to keep everything organized. Each account runs in its own profile, reducing the risk of cross-account issues. Free automation tools can help with routine tasks and workflows. Plus, you can collaborate with your team by assigning roles and permissions safely. And that's it. Hope you found this useful. Give a like and hang out. More tips are coming soon.